Are you tired of long commutes, sometimes boring office jobs, and just desire to be alone with your computer and the potential to earn some serious cash? Well, today I might not be giving out thousands of dollars, but I'll be giving out the secrets to making some at the comfort of your couch. That's right, today we are diving into the world of work from home jobs that require no experience or degree. You heard me right. Anyone watching this can do these jobs and start earning money from the comfort of their own home. We're talking about real opportunities to make a difference in your life right now. No more long commutes, no more boring office jobs, just you, your computer, and the potential to earn some serious cash. So whether you're a student looking for a side hustle, a stay-at-home parent wanting to contribute to the family income, or just someone who values their freedom and wants to be their own boss, then this video is for you. I will not just be listing the jobs, I would also show you websites where you can find these jobs and also display to you sample remote jobs that do not require experience. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and let me know in the comment section where you're watching from, and I'll give a shout out to the most mentioned region in my next video. Let's jump right into it. Now, let's dive into the best work from home jobs that require no experience or degree. Number one on my list will be virtual assistant. Now, being a virtual assistant is like being a superhero sidekick, but instead of fighting crime, you're fighting against overflowing inboxes and missed appointments. Yes, you'll be the one behind the scene, masterminding or helping busy professionals stay organized and on top of their game. The best part, you can specialize in whatever you are good at. You love social media? Become a social media virtual assistant. You're good with numbers? Offer bookkeeping or accounting services. The possibilities are endless. And the even better part, you don't need any prior experience to get started. There are tons of online resources and courses that can teach you everything that you need to know about becoming a virtual assistant. So if you are organized, efficient, and enjoy helping others, then becoming a virtual assistant could be your ticket to a flexible and rewarding work from home career. What you do involves managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media, and other admin tasks. The average pay is between $15 to $30 per hour. You find these jobs in sites like Belay, Time, Upwork, Fiverr. In fact, let's not talk too much. I can point out one or two. I might not be able to point out, for every job available, but I can point out one or two jobs available to spur us into this. Now, let me show you some examples that I found, right? Now, this one is an entry-level LinkedIn lead generation and data entry. This is on Upwork. Let's just read through what it says. It says, I'm seeking a freelancer to help with simple LinkedIn lead generation and data entry. No prior experience is needed, just basic research skills and attention to detail. Requirement: ability to follow instruction, basic knowledge of LinkedIn preferred, reliable and commitment to completing tasks. This is a short and easy project, perfect for beginners. Looking forward to your proposal. I would say that Upwork can be a very delicate site to use, so I always advise people to go for jobs that have verified payment method. The person has actually paid people for jobs as Upwork displays this, and also check if the person have other active jobs ongoing, just like this person that we are looking at. Now, this is also a second one. It's a virtual assistant intern for daily tasks. It's paying about $200. Payment method verified, and also has other jobs completed, like I mentioned. Now, these are just examples of what I've just said. So it's not like I'm just mentioning things. These are jobs. They don't even need you to have any experience before you can carry out these tasks. Now, the second job on the list will be online chat support. What do? You help customers via chat. No phone calls involved, just chatting, like online chat support for customers. In place of answering phone calls, this one has to do with responding via chat. The average pay for this job is between $12 to $25 per hour. You'll find job like this on site like Sites Staff, the chat shop, live ops, and the rest. Now let's look at the site staff chart. They have jobs for chat host, and the job descriptions and requirements are there, and you don't have to have an experience to do this job. So they have stated that minimally candidates must possess the skills, which means that at the bare minimum you should have the skills, and previous experience is not mentioned for this role. So these are samples of opportunities that are available, and if you go to the sites that I have mentioned, that is site staff, the chat shop, live ops, there are lots of them. We chat from home, you get to see a lot of these opportunities available. Third on my list is going to be social media managers, the beginner level. Now, are you always the first one to like and comment on your friend's post? Do you have the knack for creating shareable content? If so, then you might have what it takes to be a social media manager. Yes. Now, before you roll your eyes and say everyone and their grandma is a social media manager these days, hear me out. There's a big difference between casually scrolling through social media and strategically managing a brand's online presence. As a social media manager, you'll be the voice of the brand, crafting engaging content, interacting with followers, and analyzing data to optimize reach and engagement. Now, it's a fast-paced environment and dynamic field that requires your creativity, your strategic thinking, and your excellent communication skills. And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to break into these industries. There are tons of online resources and courses that can teach you in the ins and outs of social media marketing. Yes. So if you're a social media savvy individual who loves connecting with people and building communities online, then a career in social media management would be the perfect fit for you. Now, what do? You post on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, lots of social media handles, and you get to manage the content for those organizations. The average pay is between $15 to $50 per hour. Now, you find jobs like this on sites like People Per Hour, Freelancer, LinkedIn Jobs. There are lots of other sites like that where you can find the social media manager jobs. Number 4 on my list is online transcription job. Now, if you are someone that have a knack to listening and typing, you can decipher even the thickest of accents. If so, then transcription might be the perfect work from home job for you. And here, it can be very repetitive. But it is also a job that requires focus, attention to detail, and a good ear for language. Plus, it's a job that can be done entirely from home on your own schedule and all. Now, you will be amazed at how much you can earn and how quickly the time flies by when you are engrossed in a transcript. And the best part, transcription jobs are always in high demand. From academics to researchers to business and podcasters, everyone needs someone to transcribe their audio and video content. So if you're looking for that flexible and low stress way to earn money from home, then transcription jobs will be the perfect gig for you. What do? You just listen to audio, you type it out. The average pay for a transcription job is between $15 to $25 per hour. Now, where do you get this job? On sites like Rev, Transcribe Me, Scribey, etc. Those are sites where you can get the transcription jobs. Number 5 on the list will be a website tester. Now, imagine getting paid to browse websites and give your honest feedback. A website tester gives feedback on how user-friendly a website or even an app is. You navigate through the website, report what is working well or what is not working well. If you can communicate clearly, you have the basic know-how of the internet, and you also possess a strong attention to detail, then you have all that is needed for this role. What do? Like I said, you just test websites and give feedbacks on that. The average pay for this job is between $10 to $50 per test. Now, this test takes between 5 to 20 minutes. Now, sites where you can apply for this role include user testing, Try My UI, U-Test. Number 6 on my list will be data entry. Now, I'm not gonna lie, data entry isn't the most glamorous job in the world. It's basically involves taking information from one place and putting it into another place, like think spreadsheets, database, that kind of thing. But here's the thing, it's super easy to learn. You don't need any special skill or training, just your basic computer literacy and a decent typing speed. Plus, it's a job that can be done entirely from home in your pajamas while watching your favorite TV shows. Not just scratch that, I was just joking because you need to pay attention, right? But the best part is data entry jobs are always in high demand. Every business needs someone to manage data in this world of data, now. So you will never be short of opportunities for this field. Now, if you're looking for a simple, straightforward way to make money from home, then data entry could be that perfect gig that you're looking for. The average pay is between $10 to $40 per hour. Now, where do you get jobs like this? You check sites like Clickworker, SeekTrack, Axion Data Services. They have opportunities like this, and Fiverr, Upwork also have opportunities like this. There are lots of sites where you can find this job opportunity. Number 7 would be freelance writing. Now, have you ever dreamed of getting paid to write? You have this love and passion for putting your pen on a paper. Well, guess what? Your dream can become a reality with freelance writing. Now, you don't need to be the next Stephen King or J.K. Rowling to be a successful freelance writer. If you can string a sentence together and you have a knack for crafting engaging content, then you've got a good foundation that is needed for this. The world of freelance writing is vast and varied. You could be writing blog posts, website content, articles, social media caption, email newsletters. The list goes on and on and on. And the best part, you get to choose your clients and your project. Now, you can specialize in a niche that interests you, whether it's technology, fashion, travel, or anything in between that. So if you love to write, you have a way with your words, you enjoy the freedom of working from anywhere, then freelance writing could be your calling. The average pay for this role is between $20 to $200 per article. Where do you find these opportunities? Sites like ProBlogger, iWriter, TextBroker have opportunities like this available. Now that you know which jobs are available, here is how to get started fast. Step 1, pick that job that interests you. Yes, decide which of the options interest you. Step 2, you sign up on the platforms that I have just mentioned. Step 3, you create a simple resume highlighting your skills, even if you don't have the experience, but highlight your skills that you have. Step 4, apply to multiple jobs to increase your chances. You can make use of AI tools like ChatGPT to help you with resume writing or your interview preps. Now, before we wrap up, here are some final tips. Avoid scams. Never pay for a job. Legit jobs won't ask you for money. Now, keep learning. Even though we say these jobs don't need experiences, it doesn't mean that they don't require skills. There are free courses on YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, and the rest that can help boost your skills. Now, start small, get that experience, then you move up to higher paying jobs or higher positions in the role that you are. You keep improving on your skills and gradually you will climb that ladder that you need. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or if you know of any other great remote jobs, or simply share with us which jobs that you are interested in. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you're looking for websites where you can find this job, I have a video here that would show you 8 websites where you can find remote jobs that are always hiring. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.